Morning, everyone. I'm welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to solve today's problem of the day, that is question number 1288, remove cover interval. Okay, so let us understand the question. So we are given an array of intervals where interval of I represent the left and right, and we have to remove all the intervals that are covered by another interval in the list. That okay, so if we are given an interval a and b, and if we are given an interval c and d, suppose if we are given an interval a and b and another interval that is c and okay, so another interval that is c and another interval is d. So if we are given some interval like this, in which okay, so if we are given an interval a and b, if and another interval that is c and d, this is called as covered when c is either less than or equal to a and B is less than or equal to D, so that C and D can completely cover the interval A and B. Let us write down some cases, write down some test case. So yeah, like we are given the very first test case, that is 1, 4, 3, 6, and 2, 8. So as you can see this, the array is not sorted. The first thing we will do is we will sort the array, because after sorting we can find the overlapping, or we can find the completely overlapping intervals. So we will get 1 4, another we will get 2 8, and another we will get 3 6. So as you can see this, I have 1 4, I have 2 8, and I have 3 6. Let us draw it on the number line, so you can easily visualize it, how we are going to solve this problem. The first interval is 1 to 4. This is the first interval. Another interval is 2 to 8, and another interval is 3 to 6. Yeah. So how many you can see that how many intervals are getting overlapped. So as you can see this, this interval that is from 2 to 8 is going to completely overlap this, that is 3 to 6. So in the final end, we have only one interval, that is 1 and 4, and the another interval is 2 and 8. Because this 3 to 6 interval will be get overlapped and will be considered in this interval only. So we will get interval 3 6 is covered by 2 and 8, therefore it is removed, and so we will get my interval as 2. Same as you can see in this problem, this is 1 to 4. If I have 1 to 4, another is 2 to 3, 2 to 3. So it will satisfy the condition of A and B and C, where C is less than A and B is less than D. So we can say that here we will get only one interval. So let us discuss the approach of this problem. So the first approach is we are going to sort the array. But there are two cases. If suppose if I am given okay, so let me take some example. This is my test case. So So yeah, mm, where is my test case? So this is my test case. That is 1 2 3 5 2 7 1 4. In this case, as you can see that we are given this 1 2 3 5 2 7 4 9 and 1 4. If I use the normal sorting, then I will get 1 2, then I will get 1 4, then I will get 2 7, and then 3 5, and then 4 9. But as you can see, 1 2 and 1 4. To find the maximum overlapping, we should sort the array such that if the first element of both the interval is same, it should be sorted in according to the second element. According to the second element, such that the if the first element of both the interval are same, then the second element, the greater the second element, it should come first. So it should be sorted in the order of 1 4, and then it should be 1 2, and then after 1 4 1 2 there should be 2 7 3 5 and 4 9. Now we can see that 1 to 4 can overlap, completely overlap this 1 and 2. So this will be covered as a 1. Now I will check 2 7. 2 7 will cover this and this. So it will be a second interval, and the third one, it won't be covered by anyone. So it will be 1 2 3. So my output of this problem will be 3. So I have to write a custom comparator, because in which the second element should come first. The greatest second element should come first as compared to the second element, in case if the very first element of both the array is same. So let us check the code, like how we are going to solve this problem. Okay, so if in the case of in this case 1 4 2 7 3 5 4 9, in iteration 1 I will check, is P14, is P 1 and 4 is covering 1 or 2. Yes, it is covering. Is it closed? Yes, it is closed. Then check the next one, 2 and 7. Is it closed? No. As soon as we get that it is not closed, we will push into the vector, or I can increase the counter. I don't need to use any extra space, because I just have to return the number of size. So I can increase the counter. As soon as I will get that, no, it cannot be considered into this interval, so I have to increase the count. So this is going to be the code of this problem. First of all, this is the way of doing the sorting. If A of 0 and B of 0 is same, the first element of both the element is same, then I will sort on the basis of the decreasing order of the second element. Otherwise, just return the whichever it is the greater. So current start will be interval of 0 0, and current end will be intervals of 0 1. Then I will start iteration from 1 to the last element, and I will check whether the current start is less than the next start or not. If the condition is true, then I will just check the next element. As soon as I will get out of bound, then I have to return the count plus 1, and otherwise I have to increase the counter. It is a very simple code. Okay, so let me submit this problem. Yeah, as you can see, code submitted. Thank you.